Today we'll be reviewing the Maircle Vacuum Cleaner S3 Series Powerful Cordless Long-Lasting Vacuum. So let's go ahead, let's open up our product and give it a go. Here you'll see everything that came within the Maircle S3-Pro vacuum box. So here I have the charging base, which is really nice because it has these little nodules that can be used to set down your attachments and give them a place to stay where it's not super cluttered. Here I have the charging pile, and the charging pile just goes right on top of our charging base like so. And like I said, there is little labels so you're able to know which part goes where. And there are 4 little screws inside of the package that you can put underneath of the charging base and screw on to keep this charging pile in place. Here we have our charging adapter that gets attached to our charging base, as well as our battery pack that gets attached to our main product, which is the Maircle S3 Series Pro. And here we have our little filter, and we have our main part of our vacuum next to that. Now above, you may be wondering what that is. That is just an envelope that holds our user guide, as well as a little guide that gives you directions on how to go about cleaning your motor. Here we have our metal pole that allows us to move our vacuum around. Here is our main bigger brush. This is an attachment that's mainly used for like flooring and things like that because of its size. Next to that, we have our furniture brush. Here we have our electronic sofa brush that is a lint-free brush. Taking that back, next we have our bendable little hose, and this is just in case you want to, say, vacuum your car or get into little corners and be able to have more movement. Lastly, that brings me to this brush, which is our crevice tool. And it's a 2-in-1, so it definitely gets in between any corners, top parts. If you wanted to get your ceiling even, you could probably reach it with this device. Here's our main component, and it has different modes as well as a power button on top of there. And here's the max fill line for the dirt and the latch to empty it. Here is our battery pack, and it has a 70-minute battery life that conquers large households very easily. The battery pack is very easily removed and put back on. And here we have our attachment, which you can attach the metal pole or anything to here, and it will be able to latch on very easily. Here I'm going to try out the electric floor brush. Here you'll see that the high-speed motor creates a powerful suction. It has 400W brushless motor that provides best-in-class performance, generating up to 23 kPa of intense suction power, and it just makes it so much easier to remove dust and debris, as well as any other household messes for a complete deep cleaning you can rely on. This vacuum is very easy to maneuver and get around things, as well as going underneath of our furniture. The high-speed floor brush has an independent motor to efficiently pick up more dust, dirt, hair, and debris. With its V-shaped and comb design and revolutionary tangle-free technology, cleaning is easier, faster, and better, with no more fussing with tangled hair, so cleaning chores takes less time and effort. The upgraded LED screen displays everything you need to know, including performance indicators and battery info. It makes planning and managing cleaning chores easier and much better. Now I'm switching out what I have just used for the crevice tool for tight spaces. The crevice tool is super great because it gets in between not only your cushions or behind your furniture, it also gets underneath your bed, along baseboards, and into difficult to reach spaces such as your blinds. The tough cleaning jobs are a lot easier and faster with this handy tool for hidden nooks. It's also convenient outside of the home for cleaning inside of your car, your vehicle, boat, or even your camping equipment. The green LED light detects micro dust. As you can see, the green color and precise illumination angle makes hidden micro dust visible. It also makes stubborn dust in difficult to reach places easier to remove and perfect for fewer or more effective cleanings. Now that I've removed the metal tube, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to input the hose so that I'm easily able to maneuver around my furniture with my furniture brush. The extension hose for added reach is retractable and flexible. It is compatible with 2-in-1 crevice tool and furniture brush for ultimate versatile performance in all cleaning roles, and has a 4-foot reach. The furniture brush is suitable for cleaning tabletops, cabinets. It is gentle on all surfaces and is a perfect tool to remove dust and tidy up any area. Our professional quality electric sofa brush features an independent motor drive and powerful rotating effect that penetrates deep into sofas, cushions, mattresses, and fabrics to effectively remove dust, mites, allergen, pet hair, and other household contaminants. It is perfect for keeping a tidy, healthy, and comfortable home. The nice thing about this vacuum in particular is that the clever dust cap design collects hair at the bottom where it won't cause clogs. One button releases cup contacts into the trash, so there's no need to remove and replace the cup manually. It has a smart design for better and more comfortable cleaning. This vacuum has 2 HEPA filters. One is the air inlet filtering HEPA on the built-in dust cap, and the other is the air outlet of the host head to filter HEPA. The inlet filtering HEPA on the built-in dust cap can generally be replaced once every 6 to 12 months. The filter HEPA on the outlet of the host head can be replaced every 12 to 24 months. The Maircle innovation team has developed a multi-cone fully sealed silicone separation system that is purpose-built to minimize airborne dust and contaminants in household environments. Its dual filters collect dust, dander, and microcontaminants to more effectively protect your family's health with a safer and more comfortable environment. The Maircle S3-Pro has a stand-up charging base with no wall mount required. It has a vertical charging base that is sturdy, convenient, and takes up minimal floor space, so you can simply stand it up and plug it in with no wall mount required. It has reinforced base that prevents tipping, and there's room to store accessories for ultimate space-saver convenience. This particular product has multi-cone, fully sealed silicone filtration, a tangle-free design with a floor brush, 70-minute battery endurance, the green laser LED technology, as well as self-standing charging dock and an LED control display. I love the fact that it has that 23 kPa ultra powerful suction, and if you're in the market for a vacuum that has a lot of the top qualities that you're looking for, I definitely recommend getting the Maircle S3 Series Pro. I hope you guys liked our review, and we will see you guys next time.